Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Randolph, New Jersey, home of Artisan Controls Corporation. For more than 60 years, Artisan Controls has been recognized worldwide as a leader in the design and manufacture of electronic timers and controllers. More than 40% of Artisan's products are custom tailored to the user's specific applications. All Artisan controllers are designed and built in America to the highest industry standards, with a commitment to rapid response, product quality, and exceptional customer service. Artisan's founders were ex-military engineers who in the 1960s designed controllers for the military's Sandia National Laboratory's rocket sled testing in Los Alamos, New Mexico, for NASA's testing of early Apollo rocket engines and modules used in Washington, D.C.'s air traffic control system. Since then, Artisan has produced millions of controllers for American and international companies and the U.S. government and military. Controllers that operate factory machinery, medical equipment, elevators, lighting, HVAC systems, railroad equipment, conveyors, farming machinery, and food service equipment. In 2022, Artisan launched its next-gen line of cooking and frying controllers for food equipment manufacturers, which include robotic-type auto-filtering in fryers, and Wi-Fi interface for reporting cooking, operational, and equipment status to customers in real time. As its motto says, Artisan controls more than time. You need an experienced U.S. company that designs and manufactures electronic controllers custom fit for your specific application with rapid prototype delivery, exceptional product longevity, warranty and service at a fair price. Contact Artisan Controls today at artisancontrols.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.